for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F350 Lariat in rapid red with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, navigation, twin panel moonroof, reverse camera system with backup sensors, as well as the trailer tow package. It has the Lariat Ultimate package, which has the navigation in it. As well, it has a sport appearance package, and you're seeing that blackout for the badging, as well as the dark grille. It's been upgraded with a 4-inch lift kit as well as 22-inch wheels. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers and power extending mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. I just want to show you on the side here, you have your power liftgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. When we start up this vehicle, we just have to put our foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and push the engine start stop button. I'm just going to straighten out my steering wheel here for you, and on the face of it is our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. And we can toggle through the menu from left to right: my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when we press on that, it'll appear normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and snow sand, and the recommendation for 4x4. And then we just press it again and you can go around. In the center, you're seeing the B&O audio system badging, as well as there's a little bin to put items, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, lane keeping, and there's your camera view. And press through. As well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And we have a touch screen, so we can go into audio, choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Climate, you'll see the dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as your AC. And then you have your navigation, so the map will come up for you. And you have your settings, and we can slide through for different options: Ford Pass Connect, Wi-Fi, and so forth. And you just slip through as you want different options. Volume and tuner, and there's your dual climate control, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, your front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, wireless charging port, pad. You have your USB and USB-C, and if you want to close up the bin, you just do that. There's a couple of more spaces to put items, cup holders, and you're seeing the rings there. That's the ambient lighting. The armrest opens up. There's a little bin in there. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. Off to the side, you have a 12 volt and a 110. 2 glove compartments, the lower one's locking. Auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. You have your lighting controls located here, sunglass holder. You also have upfitter switches. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for, and a twin panel moonroof with a power sliding screen, so you can control light and air just with a push of a button. And there's a grab handle in the body that just makes it easier to get in. Upgraded 22-inch wheels, wheel flares, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. And this also has a 4-inch lift kit. In the back, you have your chrome handle for your tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the camera's just above that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up your tailgate, you can double click your fob. You can also release it from inside the vehicle. Got a nice spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have the 5th wheel prep package. You're seeing those rings there. And there's a tailgate step making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily pull the tab at the base of the seat. And then you can bring the seat right up. You have a foldable, collapsible, and lockable bin underneath. And then to bring the seat down, pull the tab again. Down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats and an armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. All-weather mat on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents on each side. And those little red seats are the heated seats for back here. Grab handle in the body, twin panel moonroof, lighting, hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Bumper, dual exhaust, wheel flares, 6.5 foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power scope, telescoping, trailer tow mirrors that are powered, as well as blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.